Did you know that an astonishing 2.14 billion people worldwide are expected to buy goods and services online by 2023? That's a market you can't afford to ignore. It's a brave new world out there with online businesses flourishing like never before. The shift towards online transactions is not just a trend, it's a global movement, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Now that's a lot of potential customers waiting for your product or service. So, how do you tap into this market? Starting an online business may seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward if you follow a few crucial steps. So, let's dive right in. First up, identifying a viable business idea. Whether it's a passion project or a gap in the market, your business idea should be something that you believe in and that people need. Think about your strengths and skills, what you enjoy doing, and how you can add value to people's lives. Next, research your market. Understand who your potential customers are, what they're looking for, and how you can meet their needs better than anyone else. This will help you fine-tune your business idea and plan your strategies effectively. Building your website is the next step. Your website is your online storefront, so make it as welcoming and user-friendly as possible. Remember, first impressions count. Setting up your business comes next. This includes taking care of the legal aspects, such as registering your business and understanding your tax obligations. Also important is setting up your payment options. Make it easy for your customers to buy from you. Finally, it's time to launch and market your business. Use social media, email marketing, SEO, and other digital marketing strategies to get the word out. And remember, success doesn't come overnight. It's about consistent effort and learning from feedback. And voila, you're now the proud owner of an online business. But what are some examples of successful online money-making businesses? There's a range of online businesses that have proven to be profitable. Here are 5 examples you might want to consider. First off, social media consulting. With the rise of digital platforms, businesses are in constant need of experts who can help them navigate these waters and build a strong online presence. Next up, freelance writing and design. If you have a knack for creating compelling content or eye-catching visuals, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. Third, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Fourth on our list is online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a certain field, why not share that expertise with others and get paid for it? Lastly, dropshipping. This e-commerce model lets you sell products directly from the manufacturer, eliminating the need for inventory. These are just a few examples of what you can achieve in the world of online business. The possibilities are endless, and the potential rewards are massive. So why not start your online business journey today?